Hello.
Hello, Alma.
Hello, Riza. How are you? Good
I'm good.
morning.
And time now is 7:15 in the evening. Yeah.
Good evening to
So
you.
good
And good
evening.
morning for me.
Yeah. Hi. I'm Riza from Ontario, Canada. And yeah, time check is 7:15. And I have here my friend Alma. And you are from?
From New Zealand.
Yes. All right. So this is not really an interview. This is just a random chit chat between Alma and me about our online business.
Yes.
Yes.
We are business owners. I am originally from the Philippines and I am an immigrant here in New Zealand. I've been doing this online business as my sideline. I work as my primary job is a nurse in the hospital and I'm doing this as a sideline. I started this online business in 2019. So I'm 2 years in this business. And how about you, Riza?
Oh, I started this business only 10 months ago in 2020, later part of 2020. I'm also originally from the Philippines and a Filipino migrant here in Canada for 10 years. Um, I work in a collection company for 7 years, and unfortunately, I was laid off in 2018. And then when I was planning to look for a job, my eldest daughter, she wants to continue her study. So I said, okay, I'll give way now that I don't need to work. I'll just have to look after her two sons, because here it's really difficult to or expensive to put your children in a daycare. So okay, I said to my daughter, okay, I'll help you. I'll do the babysitting for you while you're in school. And then once she's close to graduate in May of 2020, the pandemic broke up in March of 2020, right? So
Yes.
then the difficulty now to look for a job, because there's more unemployment here. More people were laid off, they lose their job. So okay, another year to wait for me to get a job. Then I'm thinking, oh, I have to have a plan B. I really need to think, I want to earn extra income. It's not just because I'm on my comfort zone. My husband has a good job, good paying job, but still it's different when you have your own money to spend, right? So I think about, okay, I might as well think another look on online business. And it reminds me that 2 years ago in 2018, I was vacationing in the Philippines when I saw this news feed for my social media. And it happened, this young man is doing this online business, and he's a job quitter after 9 months. And I've been following him for 2 years. I didn't join right away, but that time he already sends me the his website to sign in and watch for that 90-minute webinar. Yeah, I found it interesting, but as I said, I'm in my comfort zone. So I said, oh, I don't need this business now, but I have to study it well. And then when 2020 came, I'm looking for a job and I can find a normal 9 to 5 job. I looked after again with this young man, and then I signed in right away because I know I watched him already for 2 years.
Yeah.
Yeah. And now I'm the successful digital business owner. And you know what, Alma, what happened? I can say this is a testimony for me. It's
Yeah.
true that I went to Calgary for a short vacation. And when I'm on vacation, she inquired about the business. The next day, she signed up, and then that's it. I know the next day she told me she's watching it, and the third day she signed up. So isn't that amazing, Alma?
Congratulations. You've got a
Thank
business
you.
partner in Canada.
Yeah, thank you.
And I believe that you've been out on a holiday or vacation with our mentor and coach, you know,
Yes.
and
Yeah.
he, because of the transformation that happened in his life because of this online business,
Yeah.
he he is really a blessing to us because
Yeah.
he us, and he helped lots of people how to move forward in this online business.
Yeah.
And me too. When I was, like 2 years ago, I was looking for another source of income. But because I've been doing nursing, doing night shift for more than 12 years, or that time, more than 10 years. 2 years ago, more than 10 years, I've been doing it. So I
Yeah.
said, because of, sometimes I'm exhausted, too tired, no time for my children. And my daughter complained that I'm always sleeping. Because I'm tired, because I'm
Yeah,
doing
working at night is really difficult, right? Yeah.
and it's really different compared to a day shift. So
Yeah.
I was looking for another source of income. I didn't know I would be engaging or involving myself in this online business. But I've seen my mentor, and then he introduced this to me. I've seen his advertisement in Facebook, in the social media, when I was scrolling, chatting with my friends in the Philippines and my relatives in the Philippines, and it's just pop up in my news feed. And I've checked on him, and I've checked his Facebook, I've checked his Instagram, and I've seen his family, and I've seen how he received lots of blessings from this online business.
Yeah.
And so I've talked to him. I approached him and I said, "How to do this? Do you think I am able to do this? I can do this as part time?" And he said, "Well, you check it out. You can do this part time or full time, and this is really flexible." Excuse me. This is really flexible. You can do this on your day off, night off, or on your breaks, because this is 24/7.
Yeah.
Businesses, you can do it anywhere. So I've checked it out, and I also plugged and play. Our business is plugged and play. Once you're up and running, you've done your website, you've made your website, and you've made all your business page and everything, you're good to go. So I love this, because even if I'm sleeping, I still work in the hospital.
Yeah.
But I was able to lessen my hours last year. I'm only doing 7 nights every 2 weeks. So, which is good. I've got more nights off and days off with my children and with my husband, and doing the things I love, because we love like biking or walking in the park, because the park is just nearby. So it's good. More, getting more time with myself and with my family. So that's good.
Yeah. So we both like counting the time. I already wasted, but I'm not. I think that I wasted 2 years, but it's never too late to start again, right?
No.
Never too old too, because we're both families.
No, we're at the same page.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. I would like to say hi to Aggie. Aggie.
Hi, Aggie, anak. How are
From the
you?
Philippines.
Yeah,
And
thank you.
Jing Argus from Italy.
Wow. Thank
Gina Venacito.
Hi.
And Patricia Candas.
Wow.
Hello, everyone. Thank you for tuning in.
Thank you for tuning in.
Dalmasio, hello.
Hello, everyone. Thank you for tuning in. This
Yeah,
is a random chit chat.
Yes. And we're gonna discuss about our daily activities, and how do we incorporate this online business in our busy schedule.
Yeah. So let me ask you, Alma, for give us in a day how you start doing the business from first for the first hour. Where do you do your business for the whole
Well, I
day?
do my business.
What is your day?
Yes, if I'm this is my daily activity, daily activities. If I'm working night shift, so before I go to sleep, I check my inbox. So I check my inbox and check if there's any leads or inquiries. I answer if there's any queries there, any questions, or how do you do this business. So I answer. I give them my website for them to register and then watch the webinar. And then
Mhm.
with that, I'm going to sleep. Of course, during the day I sleep, and then but around 2 o'clock or 3 o'clock I'm awake. That's my breakfast. So I do some like cooking for dinner for the family, and then like cleaning, some cleaning, and then if I've got like 1 hour or 30 minutes, I check I check whatever I can post in my Facebook or in my business page, in my profile, and then invite everyone. So this is how we do it. And then spend when my husband arrives, gets home from work. So we sometimes have a little walk or have a bike ride with him. We do that. And then during the evening, I already prepared cooked dinner for them, for us. So we've got more time to chit chat. And before,
Yeah, just like what we're doing now.
yeah, and that would be an early dinner. And another thing would go back to bed for another night shift, But even at work in the hospital, in the middle of the night, between 2 to 3 a.m., whenever I've got breaks, like we've got 30 to 40 minutes break in the hospital, I've got my cell phone with me. Sometimes I bring my iPad and I've got the internet. So I can just check all my inboxes and queries and answer. And that's how
Yeah.
I do my business. And right now, I was night off last night. I'm working tonight, but still, how many, 10, 12 hours more. So
Oh.
it's still far. So we still can do this.
Yeah.
chit-chat.
Yeah.
So that's how I do it. Yeah. But at least
Okay.
I've got more time with my family, with my husband, with my children. So which is really good. And earning income online. That
Yeah.
I don't need.
Yeah, congratulations also to your milestones.
Oh, thank you. And I don't need to be there like the normal business, the brick and mortar business that you need to be there. You need to man up or put yourself in the store or in the shop. But in this online business, it works 24/7 because of the power of automation. Even if we're doing
Yeah.
something else, our business runs in the background.
Yes.
Mm.
Yeah. So for me, a day for me doing this online business, first, when I wake up in the morning, of course, I have to see the house is neat, nice and clean, and then I cook breakfast. But we don't normally take early morning breakfast. We do like brunch, like 10 to 11 o'clock. We do that brunch thing, and but before that, I have to at 6 or 7. I'm an early riser. I really wake up early. That's why sometimes I can read your messages right away. Yeah. So I sometimes, if I have time to do my postings, I post my ads saying good morning everyone and giving inspirations or quotes in my ads, right? And then I have to check also my inboxes if I have inquiries. And there's one day when I have to go up early for my exercise. You know me, you could see on my business page and personal page that I'm doing my gym workout. I already have an inquiry. I just woke up and I have an inquiry. Then before I go, I told my husband, no, I have to answer this inquiry because this is important, right? So, but doing this business, it won't take you the whole eight hours to do it, right? Just on your spare time, even like 30 minutes, then another 1 hour, then at nighttime checking them. It's not really focusing on the business for the whole 8 hours. So that's why on the side, lunchtime, I can cook for our lunch or dinner. And the rest of the day, I have time to talk to my business partners, right? That's like what we're doing now. I have done already my dinner, so I can chit chat with Alma here. Yeah, so that's my day. But typically, like before the school started September, sometime I'm babysitting my two grandsons, so they're really hands full. They're difficult. You have to pay attention to them. But still, I was able to do my business. It's still running in the background, right? And you have your grandson. You have a grandson too, Alma.
Yes, I have one, but they are You know, they are like away from us, 3 hours or 4 hours
Okay. So
ride from our city.
you don't really do babysitting.
No,
But thank
no,
God now the school started, so the little boy is already in school. So it's really difficult for them to come here already because two of them are already in school. So my daughter and the husband will just adjust their time to have time for their children to bring them to school and pick them up in school. I was even letting them know, just join this business and you will have all the time for your family, for your children, right?
yeah, because we don't
Yeah.
need to be there. You know, like we are doing activities, we are doing, we're spending time with our family, and our
Yeah.
business runs in the background. Just
Yeah.
like I remember in 2019, before the pandemic hit the world, we
Mm.
were able to go overseas from New Zealand to Australia, and I
Mm.
was able to take this business with me. I took my laptop and the accommodation where we were at the time, we had an internet. So as long as I've got the internet and my laptop, I can do my business. So I was able to take my business with me then.
Yep.
So yes, anywhere you work, anywhere you work 24/7, because as long as there's internet and laptop and you've got your gadget or iPhone or smartphone,
Yeah.
you can do this business.
Yeah, just like what happened to me, right? Last week, again, I repeat, I hit two birds in one stone. I was able to meet my mentor and coach, right? And then I got a buyer. So
Yeah, yeah.
I was enjoying vacationing in another place. I have my cell phone and I have my laptop too at night, so I can check my inquiries. And
Yes.
and there's a Wi-Fi in the hotel, free Wi-Fi. So
Yeah.
there's nothing to lose, right? You can use it anywhere, anytime you want to. And
It's a
you can
necessity
budget it.
now with the internet. All the accommodations must have internet. It's a
Yeah,
necessity.
wow. Yeah,
Yes, it's a necessity now. So even with my child, my high school son, so I said, you know what? I said, you during my time, there's no internet. you, you have, during our time when we were studying, we
yeah,
had to go to the library and to
yeah,
do our research there.
yeah,
Read all the books that we have to read. But now, all my children ask something, they've got a homework or assignment, or they need to do a research, they will just ask.
Google. We even have this encyclopedia, right?
Yes.
And you know how to look page by page, alphabetical, to
Yeah.
search which one you're looking for. And it's
Yeah.
like how many? 24 pieces of encyclopedias, right? But now, ask Google, even anything you want to do, ask Google, what is the recipe for this fish? I want to know. Just Google everything, right?
Yes,
Everything
and
is online.
just like Jing said, we have an amazing flexible business anywhere and anytime. She's
Yes.
just like Jing. She is in Italy, and
Yeah.
I am in New Zealand, and Riza is in Canada, and Aggie is in the Philippines.
Yeah.
Anywhere we go, we could do this online business.
Yeah.
Anywhere you are.
Yeah, don't be afraid that you don't know how to speak English. Pwede naman in Tagalog. Yeah. Right? Or your own dialect. Like who's this lady? Catherine Requis?
Yeah.
She's from Mindanao. So
Oh.
she can also do some her business using her dialect. Yeah. Right. So, and we have one, when I attended our mastermind, there's also one lady who is a Filipino who also did all her ads in Tagalog, right? And she got her warm market through her friends, and some are Filipino. So there's nothing to be afraid to if you say I cannot do this business, right? That's negativity. No, if you really have wise in your life, you want to do this for your family, you have to do this one and go for it, right, Alma?
Yes, they said as long as you know you're wise,
Yeah.
you will find the how. You will
Yeah.
find how you're gonna do it.
Yeah.
Me, I'm not doing this only for myself, but for my family, for my children,
Mhm.
for me and my husband, for our early retirement, and of course we've got a mortgage. We
Yeah.
still owe the bank for the mortgage, so we're thinking of fully paid this mortgage, and of course we've got like extended families that we're helping in the Philippines for their college education, and
Mhm.
it's not
Yeah.
easy to be like working in New Zealand, like us working in New Zealand, but also we're spending dollars here. We're
Yeah,
earning
true.
dollars, spending dollars. So we come up with this joining or having our own online business.
Yeah. Yeah,
Mm.
me too. Like it hurts when your family back home asking for support, especially we have this pandemic, right? And it hurts me when I could say I don't have extra money, right? But if you have this business later on, maybe even if they don't ask, you can give them right away, right? Or share them your blessings.
Yes, that's right.
Mm-hmm.
We've got a free webinar. All you need, the first thing that you do is to register your name and your email address
Mm-hmm.
to any of our websites because we
Yes.
help each other anyway. We don't mind whoever you choose to be your mentor. It could be
Yeah.
me, it could be Riza. So
Yes.
we help each other. We are about 97,000 members of our community that we help each other
Wow.
wherever we are. So
Yeah.
like it's 24/7. If in one of the community would ask, so how do you do this? How did you go into this platform? So someone from somewhere can answer that
Yeah.
because we are global.
Yes. Yeah, like anytime, like we have a time differences, right? You're in New Zealand, you're almost 7 hours, 8 hours away from us in Canada. How many
16.
hours? 16
16.
hours, right? So
Yeah.
if I'm sleeping and Alma wants to ask a question, somewhere else can answer her question. It's not just waiting for me to answer. If I'm her mentor, she can ask anybody in the team who could answer her question, right?
Yeah. All the members of the community are really positive and
Yeah.
encouraging and motivating. So, with all full support, not only from the coaches and also from the mentors, from the coaches, and all the other members of the community. So, when I remember when I was starting this business, somehow I didn't give more focus and more concentration on it. So
Yeah.
I struggled a bit, but there are members of the community who helped me a lot.
Yeah.
Even if just chat, I send them messages and how how did you do this? So I got stuck in this in the training. So someone will help me. Someone helped me really. That was a year ago. Someone helped me and was able to explain more how am I
Oh, that's
going
good.
to
Yeah.
go about
Yeah.
it. Yeah, that's right.
Yeah,
And
just follow the step by step process,
yeah,
and if you have a question, ask your mentor or ask some coaches around, and they will give you the answer. Right? And don't
yes,
jump because we really have a proven system from
that's
one
right.
to 80. How many? Like 22. If you jump, so you
23.
you do not know what is happening on the first three steps, right? So you really have to follow it. 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's it. It will guide you how to run your business.
Yeah, that's right. Don't
Yeah.
skip.
Yeah.
Um, Another thing is we offer a webinar, free webinar. You can get the link in our websites. So register your name and your email address in our websites, and then watch the free webinar. You don't have to pay anything to watch that. And
Yes.
then see if it's for yourself, see if it's the right fit for you.
Mm-hmm.
If we can do this, like I am just an ordinary immigrant here in New Zealand and Riza in Canada. If we can do this, just ordinary, and we've got about 97,000
Yeah.
members in the community, ordinary people. We've got doctors, nurses, engineers,
Yeah.
stay-at-home mom, stay-at-home dad,
Teachers.
yeah, teachers,
Accountants. Yeah.
ordinary people from all industries.
Yes. Or even a student. Remember, we have one, she's only
Yeah.
18 years old, but she wants to do the business. So I think the parents help her financially, but
Yeah.
now she's a successful digital business owner, right? She already have the higher level.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah. So this webinar, Alma, in Canada, it's happening every Tuesdays and Thursdays at 5 o'clock PST time and 8 o'clock EST time. So in New Zealand, what time do you have it there?
The equivalent time is and days Wednesdays and Fridays, 12 noon or 12 p.m.
Oh, okay.
During the day, 12 p.m. New Zealand time. So I believe in the Philippines, it's 8 a.m. Philippine time and
Yeah.
10 a.m. Sydney time.
Okay. Yeah. Because as we have 12 hours difference from the Philippines. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So that's it. So we will chat more, Alma. I know you going to work tonight.
Tonight, yeah.
Yeah.
You have to cook for dinner later on, but it's still early. It's only 11:30 here.
Yeah.
In the morning.
Okay. Oh, morning. So you still have to cook lunch.
No, we don't do lunch. We
Okay. Okay.
No, we don't. We're used to it not having lunch anymore. You know, it's
Yeah.
like
do
probably
brunch.
only like sandwich or whatever is
Yeah.
in the or banana or apple, but that's about it.
Then you have dinner.
Yeah, we'll have dinner.
Yeah.
And thank you for watching all the
Thank
people.
you everyone for watching, for tuning in. We hope you give value while chit-chatting here with me and Alma. Yeah, so if you want to resonate and register to my website, it's www.rizadecker.ca and Alma's website.
Yeah,
Yeah.
almichblaironline.com.
Yay. Okay. So
Yeah,
Thank
I
you
would
very
like
much.
yes, I would like to share this. So
Uh-huh.
it says another quote is you don't have to be great to start, but you do have to start to be great. So all you need to do is just take the leap of faith. Check this out. If you want to earn extra income or own an online business, check this out.
yeah. And change will start with you. Right?
Okay. Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So bye now. Thank you very much for watching.
God bless you all. Bye.
God bless. Bye-bye. Thank you, Alma.
Thank you, Riza. God bless you. More
You
success.
too. Yeah. Thank you. Bye.
Amen. Bye.